दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आपका जीवन आपका बहुत सुखद हो। ईश्वर से मेरी प्रार्थना है कि आपके जीवन को सुख संपत्ति और धन से भर दे, किसी तरह की कमी आपके जीवन में न रहे। इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। और आज दिवाली के अवसर पर इस मुहूर्त में हम दो स्टॉक आपके सामने लाना चाहता हूं, जो कि अगले दिवाली तक मुझे लगता है कि काफी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहेगा। 50% 60% का भी परफॉर्मेंस इस पे आ सकता है। इन स्टॉक को आप लंबे अरसे के लिए भी रख सकते हैं। जैसा कि मैंने पहले बताया था कि इस स्टॉक पे आप ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। ट्रेड करने का मतलब यह हुआ कि सपोज करिए कि आपने 100 शेयर्स खरीदते हैं, वो 50 को एक अच्छा प्राइस आने में बेचिए। फिर अगर टेक्निकल के हिसाब से प्राइस कुछ डाउन होता है तो फिर उसे आप उसी पैसे में 55 खरीद लीजिए। ऐसा करने से आपका रिटर्न स्पाइस अप होगा और आपके लिए यह बहुत अच्छा मौका प्रदान करेगा। चलिए बिना देर के हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। पहला शेयर जो मैं आपके सामने लाना चाहता हूं, उसका नाम है तांडला प्लेटफॉर्म्स। तांडला प्लेटफॉर्म्स के विषय में यह जानना जरूरत है कि प्लेटफॉर्म इज तांडला प्लेटफॉर्म इज अ कम्युनिकेशन प्रोवाइडर इनेबलिंग businesses in communicate with their customers and their recipients. It's headquartered in Hyderabad. It's a new company. The market cap is not very high, primarily in the area of communication, and the company is growing very fast. In fact, if you look at companies' clientele, then customers include likes of Vodafone, Airtel, SFR, Etisalat, Facebook, LinkedIn, SDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, and many more. All of them are really blue chip company. 68% of the revenue comes from domestic area and 32% come from the export. So, in terms of revenue distribution, it is, nicely distributed between domestic as well as export. So that's a good thing. If you proceed further about this company and look at the performance of this company, when you look at the performance of this company, you will see it is trading at 25 P and book value is 130. Current price is 952. If you look at 52 weeks high, it is 1318 and 493 is the low. When you look at ROE, it is 32.31.2, which is a very good number. And when you look at PEG ratio, it's 0.27. This means the pace the company is growing and P commands, it is very good. If P is 1, it is supposed to be fairly valued. Less than 1 is a good time to buy actually. And when you look at 3 years sales growth, it is 34%. 3 years profit growth, if you look at this, is 67%. So these numbers are really brilliant, excellent number I would call it. The intrinsic value as per calculation is 800 rupees and share is trading at about 952 rupees. Normally good shares trade double, 3 times of the intrinsic value. Even this share in past had traded that way. Let's move forward and look at the chart of the share. If you look at 5 years chart, today the share is trading at 200 days moving average, which is a very good point to accumulate this share. And all-time high is 1875 and just the recent previous high is 1300. So when you look at this, the company has, and when you look at the performance of the company, look at the performance. So sort of like P is the lowest, almost. This is the lowest one, so it's very close to the historical low and it's trading quite low. So from that perspective, share appears quite good and very good for long term actually. When you look at quarterly results, because normally this quarterly results is for 3 years, 12 quarters. So here in 3 years, quarterly number sales is 583 crores to 10,000 crores, almost double in 3 years. Similarly, profit after tax has also sort of like multiplied manifold, 8 crores to 143 crores. So 12 times, 15 times. So that's the number of this company. When you look at the return numbers, look at what return it has given. It's fantastic over the years. 10 years, 3 years, 5 years, and 1 year, it has given fantastic returns. To me, this company appears very good at this point to accumulate, and at a Diwali pick, this Diwali, if you concentrate on Tanla platforms, I think you can take a very good profit home by next Diwali. Or before that also, you will get a good chance and your earnings might multiply manifold. The second company I am bringing to you is a housing finance company. I have discussed about this company in past. Today, once again, I am going to bring this company back to you. So, the company name is Awas Financials. So, if you look at the Awas Financer, these companies in the housing finance sector, and you know India, particularly small towns and cities, they have got a huge potential. The company market cap is around 12,000 crores and the price is about 1,500 rupees today. Stock P is 25.6 and ROE is 14.3%, which is fantastic for a housing finance company or finance company. Last 3 years, company has given a sales growth of about 27% and profit growth of about 36%. The P/PEG ratio is 0.72, which indicates that company is undervalued. And when you look at the performance of this company, when you look at their price performance, look at the price. The company share is trading at less than 200 days moving average. And technically also the chances are from this it will bounce back. It has achieved a all-time high of 3,000 rupees, whereas it's trading at 1,500, almost 50% of the all-time high. And company performance, if you look at, there's nothing wrong with the performance. The quarterly EPS has been going up and therefore PE has been coming down. PE is almost at lifetime low. So this company offers a very good opportunity for investing at this level. And I think everyone should accumulate in their portfolio. When you look at the companies, इस कंपनी के अगर क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट को आप देखें तो सितंबर 20 के क्वार्टर में इसका रेवेन्यू था 270 करोड़, अभी 487 करोड़, 1.8 टाइम्स 2 टाइम्स के करीब करीब. सिमिलरली नेट प्रॉफिट 66 करोड़ से बढ़कर के 122 करोड़ का लेवल टच किया है. तो कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस बड़ा ही उम्दा है और कंपनी काफी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देता रहा है. इन चीजों से लगता है कि इस पॉइंट पर कंपनी इन्वेस्ट करने लायक है. अगर इसके 3 साल का परफॉर्मेंस देखें तो स्टॉक का भी परफॉर्मेंस काफी अच्छा रहा है. लास्ट 1 साल में स्टॉक माइनस रिटर्न दिया है और बट इसके कंपाउंड प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ फैंटास्टिक रहा है. इसका मतलब है कि कंपनी कंसोलिडेशन मोड में है और जल्द ही यह ऊपर का जर्नी लेना शुरू करेगा. ऊपर का जर्नी जब स्टार्ट करता है तो फिर यह रुकने वाला नहीं दोस्तों. इसलिए इस स्टॉक में आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. आपके लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा मौका होगा. इसको आप सोच समझ करके इन्वेस्ट करें और इससे लाभान्वित हो. So I discussed about 2 stock. I think these can be taken as a Diwali gift, and by the next year you will have decent profit home. Tanla platforms and Awas Financiers. Consult your investment advisor. At this level also, I have been investing. So start investing slowly, and after a year, I think you can take home a very decent profit. So once again, let me wish you the very, very happy Diwali, and may God fill your life with happiness, health, and wealth. Thank you so much for your time, for seeing this video. And if you like this video, please do put your comments and don't forget to press the like button. Your comment and like button will help this video to go to more people. And please do forward this one in your social media so that more and more people can look at it and can be benefited. Once again, आपके समय के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.